up guys, we're here for a quick unboxing that we've got here from Tech. Let's see what we have here. Looking forward to this one. I don't even know where to start here. It's quite a big package. Start. From Tech came in the packaging. Also, a nice RGB set of headphones, all in the same packaging from Tech. Thank you very much, guys. Those came free with the laptop. Let's see exactly why we all came here. You see that usually there's this seal here. Ours is open because we asked for some modifications of these. This is exactly why I'm inside. It's Asus. I think it's the M515DA. Stats will be in the description and within the video itself. Alright, so classic packaging. Normal stuff. Honestly, on this side we've got the cable to charge it up, which is really cool. What I like about this is that for a laptop, you generally get those two-piece ones with that really big piece. Very nice, very simple, very sleek. Also won't bother you with packaging, so more space in the bag, which is cool. Man, the reason we're here. Very, very good packaging. Oh my goodness, nice cardboard. Very, very slick and sleek. Where do we go here? Let's see this first. What's this? What is this? You get certain things with it. I don't know what this is, guys. The PC people will tell you. All the nerds know, I don't know. But it looks like something that connects into the motherboard, which is cool. Yes, yeah. I don't know. But yeah, let's get to the reason we're here. Very nice. I thought it was going to be black, especially black. It's more silver gray, which doesn't look bad though. Very nice, very clean, cool finish. The material feels good as well. It doesn't feel like it's cheap at all. Very, very nice. Nice keyboard. Keys feel good. Apparently there's a fingerprint scanner on the touchpad here, but it's not powered up. Radeon Ryzen processor, I'm not entirely sure what those stuff, but it does feel quite light. It says it's got super battery, which suggests that it safeguards the battery, which is cool. I've heard that the battery life itself isn't the greatest, but I think for what we need it for, it's going to be cool. We've got port here obviously to get the charging going. There's a Type-C port as well, HDMI and one USB there. On the other side we've got two USBs, so that's three USB Type A's in total. Then we've got the mic port as well, which doubles for aux, and the lock. I've never known what this lock thing is for. Yeah, there's that lock hole situation. Let's see what it looks like when it's switched on. I don't know if it was press once, one press. Maybe we still need to go. Here we go. Just a quick tap. Nice quick tap. Asus. In search of incredible.